we're using the Workbook 09-02 Regional Sales. The sheet names are appropriate except for Sheet 3, and so changing the name of the sheet is something you want to be able to do quickly and easily. You can access many features related to sheet tabs simply by right-clicking a sheet, and that brings up a menu. Here, of course, is a choice for rename. It's much faster, however, simply to double-click a sheet tab. This Sheet 3, for example, contains annual performance scores. It contains some spark lines in column H. Let's just change the name of it by double-clicking, and we could type anything we want. Why not annual scores? You can have spaces in sheet names. They can be up to 31 characters. Simply type in the name you wish and press enter. If we need to add a new sheet, we can simply right-click and we're about to insert a new sheet. If we choose worksheet here and then OK, a worksheet just to the left of the sheet that had been selected. But there are two faster ways. If we want a new sheet to the right of any worksheet, suppose we're going to add a new region between south and west. Maybe it's going to be a mountain region. We want a new sheet to the right of south here. Click the South tab, and then to the right of our sheet names, we'll see a plus. Simply click New Sheet, and we got a new sheet here called Sheet 4, which we will rename eventually, Mountain. And there's the keystroke shortcut method as well. We might want to put a summary sheet to the left of the East sheet. If you press Shift plus F11, you will automatically get a new sheet to the left of the current sheet. All sheet actions, except for changing tab colors, cannot be undone, or you cannot use the undo feature. That's particularly meaningful if you're about to delete a sheet. Maybe I'm not thinking too clearly, or maybe the thought has occurred to me that I don't need this sheet. I right-click and choose delete, and now I see this message. You can't undo deleting sheets. You might be removing some data. If you don't need it, click delete. It is a strong warning, and so if I were to press delete here, I can't use the undo capability to bring back that sheet. What I might need to do in a case like that, if I had second thoughts, is simply close the file without saving it and then reopen it. Of course, sometimes that happens after you've done a lot of good things along the way. So you want to be very careful about deleting sheets. So as we've seen, we can rename sheets, we can insert sheets, we can delete sheets either by right-clicking or using some of the shortcuts I suggested.